That's the Shibuya crossing or Shibuya Scramble, and this is the Miyashita Park. So it's just nearby. We are heading to that Miyashita Park. Hi, I'm Donna. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Mitsuya Park in Shibuya. This is a KitKat chocolatory that was opened in August of 2020. We are trying their dessert here. I hope you could join us and I will tell you so much more about KitKat here in Japan. When you order an ice cream here, you cannot share. Since there's two of us, we are obliged to order two. This one is for me and this is for my husband. We've got the strawberry KitKat and I'm my matcha KitKat. This cost 1,000 yen for each. This is like a work of art. This is what I've got. This is a mint. I don't know what is this. My husband's, he's already almost finished.
Almost finished?
Are you?
No.
This is the ice cream. What do you call that? Like icing. This one looks like an icing, but should be the ice cream. And this is the green tea. Haven't finished my ice cream, so I was just wondering, where do you think it got from?
This KitKat was from the freezer.
No, I mean, where did it originate?
It was made from the UK. By Rowntree, I think.
KitKat was created in the UK in 1935 by Henry Isaac Rowntree, the same British confectionary who created these sweets and chocolates. This British chocolate was introduced to Japan only in 1973. Eventually, it was bought by Nestle in 1988. But only in the year 2000, thus, Nestle Japan first experimented with diversifying KitKat. So, they created the strawberry flavor and it was a hit. Then, as we knew it, the rest is history. Now, it is said that there have been more than 300 limited edition of seasonal and regional flavors of KitKat here in Japan, many of which are exclusive to the country and not produced elsewhere. The success of regional and seasonal flavors are attributed to the Japanese culture of OMIYAGE. OMIYAGE is a gift or souvenirs given to a family, co-workers, or friends from their trip away. Pasalubong, that's how we call it in the Philippines. You may call it a gift or a souvenirs that is brought from the place where you travel to. How was your ice cream?
Ice cream's good, but there's only one scoop.
How much is this? This is 500 pesos, by the way.
1,000 yen.
1,000 yen. So that's
That's it. What's inside there? So it's almost the whole bottom of the cup is wafer.
aside from normal grocery stores in Japan, you can find KitKat in convenience stores or maybe even drug stores, discount stores. The KitKat in Japan has levels. They have range. You can find a luxurious KitKat devoted boutiques, or they call it KitKat chocolatory, like this one. There's 8 of these in Japan now, mostly concentrated in Tokyo. This one in Miyashita Park in Shibuya is the new addition. Education in Japan is taken very seriously. It's not surprising that Japan's literacy rate is 99%. KitKat's popularity in the year 2000 eventually created another Japanese culture associating the chocolate as luck and good fortune, which then eventually the perfect gift to the students who are taking their exams. This is how they do the packaging here. So this is like a gift packaging. Babe, I have a trivia for you.
Which is?
You know why KitKat is so popular in Japan?
No, but I'm sure you're going to tell me.
Seriously, I have a story. This is a true story. Okay, so KitKat is very popular in Japan because it says it sounded like the Japanese word KITTO KATSU, which means sure win. Is that correct? Now it becomes like a symbol for good luck for Japanese, because for a student who will take an exam, mostly they will get a KitKat as a good luck gift from their loved ones. So that's why it becomes so popular in Japan. Because of that, many Japanese associate KitKat into luck or good fortune, because it sounded like sure win, KITTO KATSU. And only here you can find variety of flavor, so which is I'm going to show you now. The popularity of KitKat in Japan is widely associated with coincidental cognate KitKat, KITTO KATSU. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, which is translated in English as you surely win. After all, who could blame the Japanese millennials when they thought KitKat is originated in Japan? One thing though, you cannot just walk into a store or a shop expecting that you can get all the different flavors. Remember, this is seasonal and others are regional flavors. We are here in Miyashita Park. This is the 8th KitKat Chocolatory in Japan, and this is just opened in August of 2028. This is the first in the world, or the only chocolatory KitKat here in Japan that offers a workshops. So they do have this timing here. And I only got to find it out today because this vlog is dedicated to my friend and subscriber. She says that we should try the KitKat factory, and here we are. The workshop offers you, I asked the staff, it says 70 to 80 minutes of workshop. So you will be using 3 types of chocolate, which is this one. You will be using the bitter, dark chocolate, and the milk chocolate is this one. And they call this the ruby, which is the red chocolate, and this is only in Japan. So this all here are the wide range of different flavor of KitKat. And the workshop, we're talking about the workshop, right? Which, by the way, we are not able to attend because you have to come here 11 in the morning to book for your slot, and we didn't manage to do that. So I'm just telling you that on the workshop you can do your own flavor of your KitKat. So from that 3 bases of chocolate, you can choose 17 different toppings here. 17 different toppings you can choose. And of course, I assume you got to keep it because you did it. So also right here, they do have a small cafe, which is, there's only 6 tables, tiny table for 2, and there's a 5 individual chair in there. And if you're coming with a friend and you want to share this dessert, which is this type, which what we had, you are not allowed to share though. So you have to buy individually in order for you to sit in the cafe. So that costs you 1,000 yen for that. And we've tried it. If you want to ask me if it's good, I am not really a sweet person, but I think it's, I just did it for an experience. And if you ask me if I have to do it again, no. This is the workshop going on now. So they are able to make their own KitKat flavor. They will be using 3 types of chocolate: the dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and the ruby, which is the red. These are the different toppings. You can have nuts. I think that's strawberry. Another nut. I'm not sure what's that. There must be goji berry there. Almond. That's pistachio. That must be apricot. I'm not sure what's that, but it says 17 flavors you can choose from for the toppings. This is still in KitKat Chocolatory in Shibuya, Miyashita Park. That is the building. I was distracted by the train. You can see the train track. You can see the train passing by here, and there are 6 seats here for you if you want to sit in for dessert. This is where the workshop is. What's that? not really cheap. So one piece of this costs you 540 yen. That's 324. So okay, the rest is the same. 324. This one is 180 yen for this. Just one piece. One piece of that. 180 yen. So this costs you already about 540 yen. If you come to the souvenir store next to it, you can buy a KitKat as well. For a pack of the same size, you get 10. You get 3 flavors. I only have tasted 5 KitKat flavors so far. That is the milk chocolate, dark chocolate, green tea, white chocolate, and strawberry. I wasn't adventurous at all. The making of this vlog makes me want to try all the flavors that I could lay my hands on.